sure whether I pointed it out yesterday, but make sure when you're putting these corridor connectors on that the end with the split in it, which is there, you've got a blank end, you know, a smooth end and one with a split. It's the split one which wants to go onto the carriage. So then you've got the smooth surface one going up against the other blanking plate. In other words, you've got the two smooth pieces rubbing together then. You see what I mean? But it's there on the instructions, but I must admit yesterday I put one on the wrong way around. So try not to do that if you get some. Just to show, I've added these coach connectors, alleyways or whatever I like to call them. I put them on a DMU and I put them on HST. I've still got plenty to do, but as you see, they go around the bends alright, no problems, nothing's being derailed. Either fast or slow. As I said before, they look a lot better. I also point out when I said I have a problem with these with the wires that go between the coaches. As I said, the wires are about halfway up, and to put those gangway things on, I don't think it'd work. I mean, I could split them as we say and slide down, but they're very difficult. They're fairly close to those anyway, but no, I think I'll have to leave those. There's still plenty others to do. Some at the back there. About another, I should say about another 20 to do.